Hello students and hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to teach you degrees of comparison English grammar. The positive, comparative and superlative degrees are called the degrees of comparison of adjectives. There are 3 degrees of comparison of adjectives: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Let's learn the definition of 3 degrees of comparison of adjectives. The positive degree shows no comparison between an adjective and an adverb. The positive degree is an adjective and an adverb that does not make a comparison. For example, no other man was as strong as Robert. In this sentence, the adjective strong shows the quality. It is an adjective of positive degree. Next, comparative degree. The comparative degree are used to compare two nouns. The comparative degree are used to compare two persons, two places, two animals and two things. The comparative degree shows greater degree or lesser degree. For example, Robert was stronger than any other man. In this sentence, the adjective stronger shows higher quality than positive degree. There are two nouns in this sentence, Robert and man. There is a comparison between Robert and other man. If there is a comparison between two persons, two places, two animals and two things, it shows you comparative degree. Next, superlative degree. The superlative degree are used to compare more than 2 or 3 nouns. The superlative degree are used to compare more than 2 or 3 persons, more than 2 or 3 animals, more than 2 or 3 places and more than 2 or 3 things. The superlative degree shows greatest degree or least degree. For example, Robert was the strongest man in the world. In this sentence, the adjective strongest shows highest degree. It is an adjective of superlative degree. This sentence talks about Robert and other 2 or 3 persons. There is a comparison between Robert and other 2 or 3 persons. It shows superlative degree. We have to follow the rules of using degrees of comparison. We can use positive form to comparison by using as, adjective as. In positive degree, we have to use as, adjective as. And adjective in comparative degree are usually followed by than. After comparative degree, we always have to add the word than. Use the before superlative degree of adjective. Before superlative degree, we always have to add the word the. An adjective in superlative degree is usually followed by of or in. After superlative degree, we have to add the word of or in. We can't use double comparatives or superlatives. Incorrect sentence is given here. Double comparatives is used in this sentence. It is more, darker here. The adjective more is comparative degree and darker also is comparative degree. So in this sentence there is double comparatives. So the sentence is incorrect. So that's why we can't use double comparatives or superlatives. Mostly comparative degree always ends the word er. Mostly superlative degree always ends the word est. Some of the comparative degree and superlative degree words does not end er and est. Difficult. To make comparative, you have to add more before the positive degree word difficult. To make superlative, you have to add most before the positive degree word difficult. Now you have to read this chart of the words of degrees of comparison in a few seconds. We will do an exercise now. Complete the following sentences using the appropriate form of the adjective. Martha is a dash girl. Three options are given in bracket. You have to choose the correct option. Nice, nicer, nicest. Correct answer is Martha is a nice girl. Next, Russia is the dash country in the world. Big, bigger, biggest. Correct answer is Russia is the biggest country in the world. The adjective biggest is the superlative degree. Before the superlative degree, the is there. Next, she is dash than her sister. Pretty, prettier, prettiest. Correct answer is she is prettier than her sister. The adjective prettier is comparative degree. After comparative degree, you always have to use the word than. Next, Martin speaks English dash well, better, best. Correct answer is Martin speaks English well. If you understood degrees of comparison English grammar, give us the feedback or comments. Subscribe the channel, like and share. Thank you.